Hi, I'm Michael, the owner of Frame Today. I just wanted to make this quick video to show you how we assemble a picture frame. This is useful to know for when you bring your artwork into one of our stores to be framed. As discussed in a previous video, the right choice of frame is key not only in achieving an aesthetically pleasing result, but also in practical terms too. Typically, a frame is constructed using miter joints at the corners. These are precision cut using this machine here. The other components of the frame include the backing board, mounting board and mat boards, and the glass in front as well. Often the choices can seem overwhelming, so that's why we have an expert team on hand to help you. At Frame Today, we're best known for our same-day framing service. If you select from our same-day collection, we'll have your artwork ready for you later that day. And remember, we also have a lifetime guarantee on all our workmanship and materials too. There's really no excuse to put off getting all those pictures framed that you've put to one side. Now's the perfect opportunity to pop into one of our stores and put us to the test. We look forward to seeing you soon.